Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this hair. We're not really going to talk about it, but I'm going to teach you how to do this hairstyle. It literally took me about 30 seconds to do it, so I'm going to show you how to do that, like, right now. Okay, bye. Not bye, but I'll see you in, I'll see you in a second.
Hold on, I gotta check and see if I got lipstick on my teeth. I sure as hell got a lot. Holy shit, I got a lot of lipstick on my teeth. Don't judge me. We've all done it before.
Alright, so all you need for the updo is a bad hair day, not a lot of time to get ready for your day, 2 bobby pins, a ponytail or a scrunchie, and possibly some dry shampoo. My favorite dry shampoo, I've tried a lot of them, is Batiste. It's cheap and it really does a job. This is the tropical one, so there's nothing fancy about it. I don't know, I know it works. So, yep. So this hairstyle honestly takes only about 30 seconds. If you're picky, it'll take longer. Sometimes it takes me a lot longer just because my hair doesn't cooperate that day, and I mean, who doesn't have those days? So first thing I will do is use my dry shampoo. This is the Batiste dry shampoo. I will use this even if my hair is super clean, like if I've showered and dried my hair, I will still spray this in there because it will prevent the oiliness. Like if you're gonna have a long day or if you're gonna be going to the gym or whatever, spray this ahead of time, so then if you do start getting oily in the head, that the dry shampoo is gonna soak it up right away. Or if you're just having an oily day, you know, you need to touch it up. So just spray it and then work it in and rub it into the scalp. I mostly focus it on the roots. Whew. This stuff is powerful. Alright, good. And then after that's in, I'm going to give it a quick brush through again. Alright, so now we've got a dry shampoo, we've got it brushed. That's probably the longest part, is brushing the dry shampoo. So now we can do a ponytail. I'm starting by gathering my hair in a ponytail. I'm going to bring it pretty high up on the head, on my head. I'm not going to worry too much about the bumps and stuff because I like the bumps and stuff. I don't want it to be slick. But I don't want it to be too crazy either. Use my brush again real quick. Alright, so if there's any like big ones, just run your fingers through them. Pull them back in there. Alright, so after that's done, I'm not going to pull it super tight. I'm going to have my hand up here just a little bit. So it's going to give it a little mobility. And then I'm going to start doing a ponytail. And then on the third one, I'm not going to do a full ponytail. I'm going to make a sumo wrestler bun. And how cute is that? We're done. I'm just kidding, we're not done. Okay, so now I have this real nice mane back here. All I do with this, I mean, I guess you're a little tiny cute bun. I'm just going to pull it real quick now. But, we take this and all we do is wrap it around. Mine is long enough now where I can get it 2 wraps, but typically it's about 1. So I'm going to turn around now. Now I'm going to find the ponytail back there. It is under the hair. I'm going to find the ponytail, and the end of this hair, right here, I'm going to tuck it under and pull it through. So now I've got my little baby tail. Like I said, if you have shorter hair, it might not do 2 laps around. If you have longer hair, you might be able to get 3, but mine makes it 2 laps around. So now that this is like pretty crazy, I'm going to start fixing this part here. I'm gonna push that down. All I'm gonna do is take this and start fanning it out. I'm pulling it from the top and fanning it out. Then I'm going to start pulling like the hair here. I'm gonna start pulling it up. So this part of my hair is looser. And then I just keep going back and forth until I get the desired look. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do now. Now I'm going to take those 2 bobby pins because this kind of just looks ridiculous. So I'm gonna take those bobby pins and take this end here, pull it down to the scalp and put the bobby pin in. So now it makes like a full fan instead of that dinky little fan on top of your head looking ridiculous. So there you go. That's it. That's all I do. And then if you need to fix anything, you just keep on fixing until you like it. I like to pull my little baby hairs out here. It turns out different every single time, but it's fast, it's easy, and I think it looks cute. It looks effortless, and it is effortless. So there you go, like 30-second hairdo. Boom, you got it. All right. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm starting to do videos every Tuesday and Thursday now instead of just every Wednesday. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to see those videos. Give this one a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. All that fun stuff. And I guess we'll just see you in the next video. Okay. Bye.
And now we have Sumo Wrestler hair. It's so cute. Well, now he's got this long tail. Do you see how I did that? I sure hope so, because I didn't see because I was